headed to the cruise. We're flying out of Little Rock to LaGuardia, but it is 5:08 in the morning. I don't know if you can tell by my eyes. I've not been to sleep. I was trying to go to sleep early and it did not work out. So I've just stayed awake. We'll see what happens today. We don't get on the boat until tomorrow. So we're gonna fly into LaGuardia, stay at Brooklyn tonight, get on the boat tomorrow. Wish me luck. We're gonna have fun. Made it to LaGuardia. I made it. Gotta find my crew, start checking it out. Get on the cruise. This is the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island. This tall building is Trade Center 1. We are in Newport, Rhode Island. About to go see some incredible houses. Mom, you ready? Sure. Dad, you ready? Come cruise with me. So I am with my parents and we are on a princess cruise up in the northeast of America. And this is our first stop. Today we are in Newport, Rhode Island, and we are touring two houses, the Marble House, and then we're going to the Breakers. Both of these are Vanderbilt homes and they are unbelievable. So I'm gonna show you, take you along with me. I think I'm also gonna do a dedicated video for each one of these houses. So be on the lookout for that. But we've got 7 days of this. Come along, it's gonna be fun. Welcome to Marble House, the Vanderbilt mansion that looks like it took a detour through Versailles before landing on Bellevue Avenue. Architect Richard Morris Hunt designed it between 1888 and 1892, and the whole vibe is Beaux-Arts meets money is no object. The headline detail is right in the name, marble. So much marble it is said that the project used about 500 million cubic feet of the stuff, with a budget that hit roughly $11 million at the time. About $7 million of that just for marble. Imagine ordering marble the way most of us order takeout. This is Marble House. William K. Vanderbilt gave the house to his wife Alva for her 39th birthday. Alva was a force. She loved French style and asked Hunt to channel Marie Antoinette's Petit Trianon, which is why the exterior reads like a Newport love letter to Versailles. The rooms are a tour of European fantasies. Gilded salons, a gold ballroom that seems to sparkle on its own, bedrooms dressed like stage sets for French court life. Even the trees outside play a part, since the grounds stretch from Bellevue Avenue to the cliffs over the Atlantic. You get architecture, landscape, and sea breeze in one package. Then the story pivots. Alva divorces William in 1895, keeps Marble House, marries Oliver Belmont, and for a time centers life at Belle Court down the street. Later, she turns her energy to women's suffrage and uses the Marble House grounds for rallies, especially near the Chinese tea house she commissioned in the 1910s. This is where the glitter of the Gilded Age meets the grit of political change.